Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Have I got a brand new exciting collab to share with you? This is the Witch's Familiar. Can you guess? Do you know who this is a collab with? Well, flip it over to the back and it's none other than Battybean, aka Betty Jean. And I believe this is her kitty, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know in the comments down below. But I like the way this palette opens up. It opens up like a book. And these are the beautiful 12 shadows that we're going to be getting. Nice mattes, some beautiful duochromes in here. I love the Fantasy Cosmetica formula. So this to me looks very spooky, but it also looks like something I could wear year round. You got these row of reds at the bottom, some purples, and a little kind of like a mint color up there, navy blue. I'm just excited. I'm going to be creating 2 looks with this palette. Now, some quick details on the launch of this palette. So the palette is going to be available on October the 1st at 11 a.m. CST. That would be 9 a.m. PST. It will cost $49.99, and unfortunately, there are no discount codes because this is a collab. But if you want to buy anything else on the Fantasy Cosmetica website, my affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. For those of you overseas, it will be available on Monolith if you're in Europe, and it will be available in Canada on I Feel Beautiful. Let's get started with creating 2 looks with this gorgeous palette. Let's start with look number 1. Now I've already primed my eyelids with the Morphe eyeshadow primer, and I think I'm just going to do 2 looks on my eyes, and then I'll decide which one I'm going to wear to work later. And I think I'm wearing black to work anyway. I want to work with these 2 purple shades first. I'm going to start with this one and then work my way into this one. I'm using a BK Beauty 212 to apply this first shade. I am so excited for Battybean. This to me feels exactly like a palette that she would create. I follow her mainly over on Instagram, and she always does the most fabulous looks. I always love when she wears a hat. And yeah, she does some really good makeup. So very happy that her and Fantasy Cosmetica have teamed up, especially for spooky season. Now in a Rephr 14, I'm going in with that next deeper purple shade, and I'm just going to be working this in the crease and also in the outer corner. I definitely want to work with the red, and I don't know if I'll do it with this look or the next one. We'll see. Yeah, these shadows are blending so nicely with one another. I'm going to lay down some Gourmand Girl Shimmer Primer to the lid. All right, now for shimmer, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this blue matte on the bottom. So I want to use this blue shimmer shadow on the lid. Yes, that is exactly what I wanted. Beautiful pigmentation here with these shimmers. And I'm going back in with the deeper purple shadow. On a What's Up Beauty R107, I'm going to go in with this beautiful shade for the lower lash line. And after this, I think the look is just about complete shadow-wise. I'm going to pop off camera, add some finishing touches. I may or may not do lashes today. It all depends. And I'll be right back to show you guys the completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I really like the way this look turned out. I love pink, purple, lavender with a good turquoise color. So far this is turning out to be a beautiful palette. I used the Makeup by Mario mascara, LA Girl black eyeliner, and in the lower waterline an LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner. This one is in the shade Fresh. Perfect complement. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. All right, so for look number 2, I definitely want to use the red shades that are in this palette. Just making sure my microphone is turned on. So I think I think I'm gonna do the reds at the bottom. I think that might be a better choice. So I'm gonna be working with these two. Well, how would that look? Maybe do this one on the top and then deepen it up with this and then have this at the bottom. Let's try that. I'm gonna start here first. Using my BK211, I'm gonna focus this mainly on the inner corner and right here in the crease. And then I'm gonna leave some empty space so that the blue can go down. You kind of see I'm also filling in a little bit on the lid. And I'm going to try and use 2, perhaps 3 shimmers in this palette for this look. Sister has the zoomies and she's zooming back and forth. In case you hear anything, that's her sliding from one room to the other. Oh, that's a good red. Now on another 211, I'm going to dip into that dark blue shade, and that's going to start going down here where the empty space was, and also in the crease and outer corner. Now I'm going to add back some of the red. That's looking good. I was afraid it might get muddy in there, but I think I was able to pull it off. And then once we add the shimmer, I'm going to add a little more Gourmand Girl Shimmer Primer to the lid. Now, the shades that I'm going to go in with, I'm going to, let me try the red. I'm going to focus that down here. There we go. Now I'm going to do the purple shadow here. Actually, no, I feel like working with this one. This one looks interesting. Oh yeah, this has some pretty shifts in it. Oh yeah, that is the perfect one. Going back in with the red. Ooh, wow, look at that. Okay, wow, that's definitely different. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the blue just to blend. Okay, wow, we definitely got a look. I got a little bit of fallout, but nothing major. All right, for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with this deeper red shade. I have a little bit of glitter glue left. I'm gonna apply it right in here and pick a shimmer. I think I'm gonna do this one. So that means it's just this one and this one that I didn't get to use. And I've used all the other shades. So not bad with these first 2 looks. I'm sure I'll be using this palette quite more down the way. But for right now, just to give you some inspo, let me go ahead and take care of finishing touches. I don't know, this look feels like it needs a lash, so I might add a lash to it. But I'll be right back, and I'll share with you guys, you know, my initial thoughts and impressions on this new collab palette from Fantasy Cosmetica and Battybean. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 2. Love the way this turned out. Look at all the shifts in there. That is so cool. This is definitely my favorite. This one was super easy. It's fun. But this one, definitely a little more dramatic. I love it. I was almost able to use all of the shades in this palette. Same everything, all those helping products with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with a ColourPop one. I think it's called Cherry Pie. It's a red one. But I don't know what look I'm going to be wearing today. Whatever it is, I'm going to have to fix it at work because I just got a call that I need to head out. So, this is what I'm doing today. I'm gonna do my final thoughts when I get home from work. We'll see which look I ended up with, but yeah, so far so good with this Witches Familiar, the collab palette from Battybean and Fantasy Cosmetica, launching really soon. Stay tuned for my final thoughts and to see which look I went with and how long it lasted. Okay guys, so here's what we're looking at like at the 10-hour mark. I think this palette is aces. Love the cover art, and I love that this is a collab palette with Battybean. Betty Jean, congratulations to you and Fantasy Cosmetica. This is an awesome little palette that will be launching soon. I will have all of the details in the description box. It will retail for $49.99. Unfortunately, no codes, although I think maybe her code might work. I'm not too sure, but I know like other affiliate codes will not work since this is a collab palette. But I think if you've been watching Battybean for a long time, you're really going to want to add this to your stash. It's definitely a collector item. I think it's perfect for spooky season. I love the way this look turned out, very dramatic. And I love the first look I was able to create. A lot of fun colors in here. If you like red, this is definitely going to be a palette for you. Let me know your thoughts. Are you a fan of Battybean? Do you watch her channel? I think she's aces. I think she's wonderful. I love when she wears hats and changes her hair color and everything. She's just so cool, and congratulations again. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water. I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.